guys, so this is after the run. Just wanted to check and see how these 3D printed wheels are holding up. As you can see, they're pretty scratched up, the tires. But other than that, I mean, looks pretty good. So yeah, I do really like these tires. They're pretty fun, where it just slings dust everywhere. So yeah, I'll probably post this on Thingiverse soon. So yeah, if you want to make these yourself, then you can, along with these shock preloaders and this front bumper here. And then I did take it off for the last video, the onboard footage, but yeah, there's also mud flaps. So yeah, those are pretty cool. I'll link my Thingiverse in the description for those who want to download any of these and maybe modify their own Latrax with it. So yeah, anyways, this is E-Man RC. Goodbye.